Okay, here we go. Ask your question. How do you deal with a girl's toyo or mood swings? So, boys, listen up. If my girl kayo napapansin nyo na medyo moody siya or with mood swings, hear me out. Here we go! One of, I think, the biggest reasons bakit tinutoyo yung mga babae is, number one, is it their time of the month? Now, usually, mga babae talaga very moody when it's their time of the month. So, boys, if you know na, yung time na nila yun, be thoughtful. So, spend more time with her, more attention, bilang mo siya ng mga usually kasi sweet foods or fried foods. Kung ano man yung kinikrave niya during her time of the month. Kasi boys, yung mga babae, kapag their menstruation, for some reason, nagiging moody talaga yung mabilis mairita, mabilis magalit, mabilis mabusit. And tendency, kapag ikaw boys, hindi ka ganun ka-patient, talagang papasok siya sa anger mo. So, first, if you have know her na she's on her period, be extra sweet, extra patient, and extra thoughtful, more time and attention for her. Pangalawa, if she became moody naman, you can ask her, what's wrong, babe? Did I do something wrong? Tandaan nyo, boys, importante ang tono. Kasi it's always in the tone of how you tell your girl on what's wrong. So you ask her, what's wrong, baby? Is there anything I can do to make you happy? Ganyan. Guys, walang problema sa pagko-communicate. Basta yung tono nyo. Always take note of your tone, okay? Another thing, when a girl is moody, you handle her toyo by being patient talaga. As in, wala. Kasi guys, pag sinabayan nyo yung toyo ng babae, hindi kayo mananalo dyan. Promise, hindi kayo mananalo dyan. Mangyayari lang dyan is, magkakasakitan lang, iiyakan, mag-aaway lang further. And if ikaw napipikon ka na rin, sabihin mo rin sa kanya na after na you would appreciate more if imbes na toyoin, mag-communicate. Okay? Ang babae talaga kailangan nyo lang talagang spoilin sa attention at oras. Yan lang. Spoil sa attention and sa oras. Okay? I hope it helps.